Hi.
Hi Elena, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Hey, I want to ask
Great.
you a couple questions.
Sure.
Do you believe we compare ourselves to others on social media?
Oof, it's true, but not in my case because I don't feel like comparing with other people's because I know who I am and that is what's important for me.
Okay. Do you think the information displayed on social media inspires our actions?
Um, yes and no, but these things is very dangerous because some people, for example, inspire to me people do exercise, training, good things. But social networks can be influenced for other bad things. So it's regular. Some people yes, some people no.
Okay. And do you think that can social media affect our mental health?
Yeah, but not in my case because you know social networks have you need to have like a limit because it's very important to you look where the people posting see and everything. Maybe you uh, make mistakes, for example. You can be jealous, so this is bad for your mental health. So yes, I think yes, but not in my case because you know, I know what I am, and I'm fine with that, and social media no affect to me.
Okay, Elena, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.